Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we are going to talk about the very famous Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad, that is IIMA. So IIMA is a public B school, that is business school, located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat in India. It has been accorded as Institute of National Importance by Ministry of Human Resources, Government of India in 2017. Also, the institute offers master's degree program in management, agri-business management and other executive programs. The motto of the college is to progress through the application of knowledge. That is, they focus on applying their knowledge, their theoretical knowledge in the practical field and making progress in their career through that. So the founding director of the IIM is Ravi J. Matre, and other founding figures are the very prominent Vikram Sarabhai, the scientist, the physicist. Yes, he is one of the founding figures of IIM Ahmedabad, and also the businessman Kasturbhai Lalbhai is also a founding figure. The courses available at IIM Ahmedabad are: first, postgraduate diploma program in management (PGP); second, postgraduate diploma program agri-business management; third, doctoral fellowship program (FPM); and fourth, executive training program (PGPX), and last, ePGP graduate program, that is e-postgraduate program. The result accepted by the institute are: for PGP they accept CAT and GMAT, and for PGP FABM they accept CAT and GMAT, and for PGPX they accept GMAT. So the eligibility criteria are different for different courses available. We will only talk about PGP, that is postgraduate diploma program in management. So for that, to be eligible, you must have bachelor's degree in any stream and from any recognized institution, and you must have scored 50% marks if you are in reserved category, and if you are in reserved category then the criteria is reduced, the requirement is reduced to 45%. Also, the candidates who are appearing for their final year bachelor's degree or equivalent qualification exam, they can also apply for the PGP program. Also, those who are waiting for the results and have already appeared in the exam can also apply. So the admission procedure is as follows: first, you have to appear in your CAT or GMAT exam, and then on the basis of those scores you receive calls from IIMs, and then the next process is done, that is analytical writing test. Your writing abilities are tested in these rounds, and then personal interview is held, and then on the basis of your CAT score, your AWD, your PI, your 10th, 12th scores, your graduation scores, then on the basis of final selection is done. Why IIM Ahmedabad? What is so special about IIM Ahmedabad that you must do your PGPM from IIM Ahmedabad only? So first and the foremost thing, the faculty and the pedagogy. The professors are able to generate wonderful insights inside the classroom only, and they strive very hard to maintain the level of excellence that the institute assures the students about. Faculty also includes top management thinkers, so they provide you case studies and various other things to give you more and more practical knowledge about the aspects of the real business world and the business scenarios that you will face while working in an organization. Next thing, the alumni. The institution has a very strong alumni network in the country, and the alumni help in keeping up with the times, they help you keep updated, and they are really helpful. Next, the students. So the students are extremely talented. They're very hardworking. They're very humble people, and the work experience. Students never fail to help the others who do not have any work experience. So they are really cooperative. Next, last and the not the least thing, placements. That is what the IIMs are famous for. The average domestic package goes up to 25.83 lakhs per annum, and the highest international package is 82.51 lakhs per annum. That's quite a big amount and an impressive one too. Now let's look at the recent recruiters. So top recruiters were McKinsey, and 27 offers were made by them to the students. Next, BCG, that is Boston Consulting Group, 23 offers were being made to the students. Then Mastercards, 11 offers were made. So these three were the top recruiters, and other recruiters you can see in this photo, that is KPMG, ITC, Goldman Sachs, Aditya Birla Group, PwC, Accenture, HSBC, Tata, and various other companies. Now let's talk about the fees and loan facilities in the college. So the domestic fees is 23 lakh INR, and it includes your tuition fee, your study material, etc. And there will be additional charges for telephone, laundry, laptop, and other facilities. And for overseas Indian category students, the fees is $25,000. Also, there are scholarship facilities provided by the college, and every year in the month of July, the applications are invited for those scholarships. And on the basis of criteria like family income, ownership of assets, and the number of dependents in the family, students are provided the scholarship amount. Also, you can apply for educational loan, as many commercial banks these days and many financial institutions provide educational loans. And for details, you can contact your branch offices of your banks. Now, accommodation and safety. First thing, there is no option for students to stay out of the college, because they provide you dormitories to stay, and it is compulsory for students to stay there. So there are 35 student dormitories with a total capacity to hold about 1,000 occupants. Also, apart from dormitories, there are 120 flats for married students, and they can live with their families there. And some of the dormitories are subject to restoration and are not allotted to students. Also, the very important thing, both vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals are served to the students. The rooms are well furnished and include telephone connection. The dorms also have TV, washing machine, that is the basic amenities are there. You will not have any problem about that. Let's talk about safety now. So as students will be allowed in staying in the dormitories only, there is no question of their unsafety, because safety of the students is the highest priority of the college. So there is no problem of staying in the college only. Now let's talk about the clubs and activities. So there is a social initiative taken by the students, and it is named as SMILE, that is Student Mediated Initiative for Learning to Excel, and various activities are done in which students also get involved, like free medical camp, art and craft workshop, makeover event, dental treatment, computer classes, Navratri celebration, Children's Day celebration. They make you more humble, and they give you a chance to work for social cause. So that is a good thing. Also, along with that, there are various clubs and committees in the college which you can and you must join, because it helps in your overall personality development. So it is a must. So clubs are like life sciences and healthcare, Anukulan is for operations, manufacturing or energy, ICT for IT, communication and telecom, and there are various other clubs and committees that you must join. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.